I am K. Sai Kumar, studying MTech VLSI Design at VIT-AP University. So, Semicon Technolabs has conducted 3 days workshop in my university. So, this is 3 days workshop from RTL to English to flow because it will be very helpful in industries, upcoming industries, which will be helpful for practical knowledge also. And through this 3 days day workshop, I gained a hands-on experience with Cadence to Innovus for generating the layout up to layout sheet, which is we can ready to send out to Foundry. Thank you for Semicon Technolabs.
Hello, my name is Kakoni. So I just attended Semicon to Chip RTL to GDS to a workshop conducted by Semicon Technolabs. It's the wonderful experience. I just gained the complete ASIC flow design. I got experience with the talents too. I would like to thank all my guides who guided me throughout this process. It's a wonderful experience. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Sweta, a fourth-year history student from VIT-AP University. First of all, I would like to thank Semicon Technolabs for conducting this workshop. From this workshop, I learned about VLSI design, which explains how a chip design from beginning stage to the final stage. I also got to know about RTL design, very long, physical design and timing analysis. This workshop also helped me to learn about how the semiconductor industry works. And I hopefully want to see myself in the next 4 years working as a physical design engineer. This workshop helped me and motivated me to improve my skills in VLSI field for a career in the semiconductor industry. Once again, thank you, Semicon Technolabs, for this wonderful workshop. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Alcohol and I just attended this RTL to GDS Flow workshop from Semicon Technolabs, and they have been phenomenal in their explanation, and the technical sessions have been very helpful towards helped me to understand way more into the physical design domain of VLSI. I understood the whole design flow as they explained very well. The technical sessions were up to the mark, and as I've learned, and also the hands-on experience and the labs that were provided by them were very helpful. One message that I would add, like one thing I'm expecting more is a much more detailed workshop, at least that would last a week or maybe a few weeks, to let us know how important and to get more in depth with the concepts so we can understand way more.
Hello, my name is Rutuj. Currently I am pursuing my MTech at VIT-AP. Today I am here to discuss about my experience with the Semicon Technolabs. It's an valuable experience being an MTech grad, getting into the technology, knowing all the type of stuff related to physical design from RTL to GDS 2. I would like to thank all the guides, Manohar sir, Amarnath sir and Srinivas sir, to explaining in detail about how the RTL to GDS 2 works, the ASIC flow, and many things related to VLSI. And again, I would like to thank Semicon Technologies.
Myself Vignesh, and currently in my final year of my BTech, and I actively participated in the 3 days workshop conducted by the Semicon Technologies. And on the first day we have gone from the basics from decoders, encoders, multiplexers to the RTL coders, and we have worked on a simple RTL code like from FSM we wrote the Verilog code, and on the successive day we have worked on the ASCII design flow starting from the specifications and till routing. We have done it on the hand-on experiences, and the guides like Manohar sir and Srinivas sir helped us while where we are facing the problem. And in the final day we have worked from routing stage till the GDS file generation, and the session goes like from RTL to GDS file generation. And at the end of the session we have got the career guidances regarding how we have to prepare for the interviews, and how to build our resume, and how to explain our projects in the interviews, and we completed the session. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Lalithya, currently studying BTech from VIT-AP University. Semicon Technolabs conducted RTL to GDS 2 hands-on workshop for 3 days. This session improved my physical design and ASIC design for understanding. trainers were very interactive and they cleared all my doubts. I thank VIT-AP University and Semicon Technolabs for conducting such workshops.
I am Hanika, final year student studying VCE with VLSI institution. First of all, thank you to Semicon Technolabs and VIT-AP University for organizing 3-day VLSI workshop. During these sessions, I got a clarity about RTL to GDS to design flow and with hands-on experience with cadence tool. This is very practical and very easy to understand. This workshop gave me a basic understanding of how semiconductor works and what skills are required to build a career in this field. After this, in the future, I hope to build a successful career as a VLSI engineer and build real chip design products. Once again, thank you to the VIT-AP University and the Semicon Technolabs for conducting this workshop and giving us this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Valuable exposure to our students to RTL to GDS flow, and I feel our students are really benefited from this 3 days hands-on session. So I'm very thankful to the resource person and express my gratitude. They rigorously 3 days work for this training sessions. Thank you very much.
For accepting our request. The Semicon Labs and Radiant Semiconductors has provided 3 days workshop on silicon to chip, RTL to GDS session. So this hands-on session provided good exposure to our students and will helpful for their future opportunities. I once again thank Semicon Technologies and Radiant Semiconductors for providing this opportunity to our students. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Krishna. I'm an MTech student in VLSI Design and I got a golden opportunity to attend the 3-day workshop from Semicon Technolabs from RTL to GDS Design. Even though we study all these topics as part of our curriculum, this was a very informative new thing for me. Also the way the faculties were there teaching, it's like very important. Like they'll be like pointing out all the interview points, like everything was like very new for me. And I found it like very helpful and I'm really glad that I attended it. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Rohit and I am from BTech 4th year VLSI specialization, and my overall experience is so good, and thank you for giving this opportunity for Semicon Technolabs. I am so grateful to being part of this journey.
Hi, I am Bharatwaj from VIT-AP University, studying 4th year in VCE VLSI Design. Thanks for the opportunity given by the Semicon Technolabs. I have learned so many things here, like practical experience. We have done RTL to GDS flow in Karen's in our school. We have learned a lot of experience by the Semicon Technolabs, and we have learned interview concepts like the digital electronics, which was covered by sirs, and it was very nice experience for us for participating in this workshop. Thank you.
Semicon Technolabs. Thank you, Semicon Technolabs.